Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Pabbly email marketing subscriber from Google Sheets. So here, as an owner of a digital marketing agency, I am using Google Sheets to collect the details of all my leads, and my objective is to create each of these leads as a subscriber in my email marketing list in Pabbly email marketing. Now, to automate this entire process, I will have to set up the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly email marketing, and that I am going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to create this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step that how we can automatically create subscriber in Pabbly email marketing list from Google Sheet. I am using a form on my website to collect the leads and their inquiries, and I'm collecting all those leads in my Google Sheets. So my objective is that as soon as a new lead, a new client is going to be added with their details in my Google Sheets, when they are going to submit the form through my website on backend, then automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber in my email marketing application. And here as an email marketing, I'm using Pabbly email marketing. Now, to automate the entire process in such a way that as soon as a new row will be added with the details of a lead in my Google Sheets, that lead should be automatically created in my email marketing. I have to set up the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly email marketing. And that I'm going to do without any coding and any programming skills with the help of this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, which is going to help us to create a setup, create an integration between our Google Sheets and Pabbly email marketing without the requirement of any coding and any programming skills. So let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. Now this is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And from the same all app section, you can also access Pabbly email marketing because all these features are of Pabbly only. So here I have already accessed Pabbly email marketing. I'm logged in, and now here I have logged in towards my Pabbly Connect as well. So we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders. Like I have created a separate folder over here, as you can see. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box has appeared in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Create Pabbly email marketing subscriber from Google Sheets. So after giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have a folder with the name as test, in which I want to add this workflow. But you can create different kind of workflows and name them separately according to different varieties of workflow, so that you will be able to save your workflows in the organized format on your dashboard. Now I'm going to click on create. And as we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows. Here we have trigger and action. So what are trigger and action? So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says to this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Let's suppose my objective is that as soon as for my digital marketing agency, a new lead will be added in my Google Sheets with the details in a new row, then automatically that lead should be directly added as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. For that, I'm going to take Google Sheets in trigger and Pabbly email marketing in my action step. When we are going to set up the connection between these two applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the new row will be added in Google Sheets with the details, then only according to that data, the subscriber will be created in Pabbly email marketing, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application, which will be Google Sheets. So let's select that quickly. Then we have to select the trigger event. That means on the happening of which specific event in Google Sheets you want to capture the response. So here we have new or updated spreadsheet row. That means when a new row will be added in Google Sheets, then we want to capture the response every time and we want to start our workflow. So for that, here we have to build the connection between our Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. To build this connection, you can see we have already received a webhook URL. And also here we have received some instructions. So by following the given instructions step by step carefully, we need to insert the webhook URL inside our Google Sheets. And as we will do that, then the webhook URL is actually going to act as a bridge. It is going to transfer the data of every new row from Google Sheets towards Pabbly Connect. So let's copy this webhook URL and then I'm going to show you what you have to do. So I will take you towards my Google Sheets. I have an existing data over here. You can see this. So I also have some existing details over here. Okay, so this is my spreadsheet with the name as new subscribers. When I want that when on my backend, when the form will be submitted through my website, the data should be recorded over here. That is another workflow which I have created already. But here currently I'm going to show you that how you have to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly email marketing so that when a new row will be added over here, automatically the subscriber will be created. Alright, so for that I have created this spreadsheet named as new subscribers, which will contain the details of all my new subscribers of my marketing list. Now, to build this connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, you have to go towards extensions and here we'll find the option of add-ons. So you have to select get add-ons. Now it will take you towards Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Pabbly Connect Webhook is the add-on which you need to install in Google Sheets to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. You can see I have already installed this add-on, so I'm going to simply cross it. Once you will install the add-on for the very first time in your Google Sheets, you also have to refresh your spreadsheet once so that then only you will be able to find the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks under extensions. As we can see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks over here, so let's go towards initial setup. Basically, we have to do an initial setup in which we have to enter some details to build the connection successfully. So first of all, it is asking us the webhook URL and then it is asking us the trigger column. So in the field of webhook URL, you just have to simply paste the URL which you have copied from Pabbly Connect, the webhook URL. And now we have to enter the trigger column. So what is trigger column? The concept of trigger column says that when in a new row, the data will be added up till this particular column, the entire row will be immediately sent towards your webhook URL. So it is saying in the instructions as well, the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent to the webhook URL. Let's say in my case, I have 3 columns in my spreadsheet, A, B and C. Column A contains name, column B contains email and column C contains phone number. So phone number column will be my trigger column. That means C will be my trigger column as I want that every time a new row will be added in my spreadsheet up till C column. Then automatically my row should be sent towards Pabbly Connect and not before that. Okay, so C will be my trigger column in my case. In the similar manner, you also have to select a specific column that when the data in your spreadsheet will be added up till that column, then only the response should be sent. So now I'm going to quickly click on the send test button to send a test response towards Pabbly Connect so that we can check the connection. And as the test data is sent, so let me click on submit. As we have done that, the setup is configured. Now let's cross it. We'll move back towards Pabbly Connect and we can see that instantly and automatically the response is captured over here. In our response, we have received all the details. So let's start reading them one by one. So first of all, let's start with the trigger column. Here we have received C as our trigger column. We have the spreadsheet name. The name of my spreadsheet is new subscribers. We have received the same. And you can see we have received the spreadsheet ID over here, sheet name. So the sheet name is also sheet 1 because I only have one sheet over here. Then we have the sheet ID. Then we have the row index. That means the number of row for which we have received the data. So here we have received the data of this smart user and it is given in row number 2. So we have received the row index as 2. Then we have the phone number of this lead. We have their name and the email address. This means our connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now as we have set up this connection successfully, we also have to do one more thing. As I want that whenever I'm going to add a new row in my spreadsheet with new details, the data should be keep on sending towards Pabbly Connect without any manual efforts. For that, we have to do one more thing. We have to go towards extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here we can see the option of send on event. We have to click on this button. As we have done that, now we have made sure that every time a new row will be added in the spreadsheet, the data without any manual efforts will be keep on sending towards Pabbly Connect. Okay. So now after building the connection successfully between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, we'll move forward towards our next objective, that is to create a subscriber successfully in Pabbly email marketing so that we can send email campaigns to our new leads and make them payable customers. All right. So for that, let's go towards our action step. Let us select our action application as Pabbly email marketing. And now let us select the action event that will be to add subscribers. Let's click on connect. For building this connection, you can see we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. So in case if you already have an existing connection, you can go with that. But in case if you want to create a new connection, for that you have to click on this add new connection. And I'm going to show you that how you have to enter this token for building the connection successfully. We have also received the instructions that in order to get this token, you just have to go towards your Pabbly email marketing account, navigate to the integration section and click on developer API. And if you do not want to follow each and every step, what you can do, you just keep logging to your Pabbly email marketing account and you will click on this developer API hyperlink directly, which is going to take you towards developer API. And here you have the API bearer token. So I'm going to copy it, I'm going to move back and I'm going to quickly paste it over here. Now let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection between email marketing, that is Pabbly email marketing, and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now we just have to move forward. We have to enter the details in these fields. And as we will do that, the subscriber will be added. So first of all, let us select the list. In which list you want to create your subscribers. So I have the list over here. I'm going to take you towards subscribers section from my email marketing account. And over here we have two lists. I want to add my subscriber in this weekly newsletter subscriber list. So I'm going to select the same. Then you have to provide the email of that subscriber and the name. And you know we have received all the details already in our earlier response. So instead of entering the data manually, we are going to simply use a technique called as mapping, which means inserting data from previous step. So I have received all the details of my subscriber in my previous step. So I'm going to directly map the email from there. So here we have the email. I'm going to directly insert it and it is mapped. As I have mapped this email, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So every time a new row will be added in our Google Sheets with the details, automatically the email is going to replace with a new email of that new lead. And in this way only we are going to automate the entire process. Now let's map the name as well. So here we have the name of the subscriber. So as we have mapped it, it is also going to change with every new response. But in case if we will enter the data manually over here, it will become static and it is not going to replace then. The workflow will then get stuck, as whenever a new response will be captured from Google Sheets, the details will not get replaced and we will not be able to automate the process. So now let's click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, here we have received the response with a status that is success and it is saying list updated successfully. So I'm going to take you towards my Pabbly email marketing account. We will go towards the subscriber section. We are already over here and let's refresh this section. So I'm going to go towards my list. And here you can see that yes, smart user is automatically added over here with the same details and we have the today's date. This means our connection is absolutely successful between Google Sheets and Pabbly email marketing. And now every time a new row will be added in Google Sheets, automatically the subscriber will be created in Pabbly email marketing. After setting up the connection successfully, I'm going to once again check whether my workflow is running fine or not. So here I'm going to add a new role. So let's say the name of the lead to whom I want to add as a subscriber is new lead. Let's say the email is newlead70@pabblytudes.com and let's say the phone number is, okay, although the phone number is not required in Pabbly email marketing, but I have used it in order to maintain the record of my leads. So in my Google Sheets, okay. Now I'm going to take you towards my Pabbly email marketing account. We will refresh the member section over here. We will refresh the subscriber section over here and you can see that the number of subscribers changed from 3 to 4 in my list. And here we can see that yes, automatically without any manual efforts, the lead is added as a subscriber with the name as new lead and the same email. So yes, our workflow is absolutely successful. So yes, our workflow is running absolutely fine. You can also very easily create this amazing automation to manage your email marketing list by adding subscribers in them automatically from your Google Sheets. I hope the automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.